Hi everyone, this is your Sai Fernandra from SQL School. For 2 decades of dedication and love, dependency towards databases, I assure you practical step-by-step scenario-based learning classes in this beautiful technology, Azure Data Engineering. Over 2 decades, we have been providing lot of trending technologies, creating aspiring, successful engineers, developers, administrators, and data scientists. Let's get started with our actual concept of Azure Data Engineering. Let's start with what is an Azure Data Engineering job role. What are the advantages and the components involved? What are the main key job roles as a data engineer in a daily life? What are the certifications involved? And what it makes to get into our course as a 100% practical zone? The real-time project details. Let's get started. In our classes, I'll make sure the things are very practical and step by step. Let's get into what is Azure Data Engineering. Azure Data Engineer is a cloud-based job role that focuses mainly on designing, building, and managing scalable data solutions. Easier, cheaper, and very user-friendly. The main advantage of Azure Data Engineer, number one, cloud computing. Number two, big data processing. Number three, ETL, extract, transform, and load. Number four, data warehousing. Number five, IoT and data streaming concepts. Number six, data analysis, of course, small and big data analysis. Number seven, machine learning concepts. Number 8, AI, Gen AI, and few other components like LLMs and agentic AI components do require us, you and me, data engineers. I mean, without you and me, without true, successful, confident data engineers, no AI, no agentic AI or LLMs or data science activities. We are the boss. We are the main caretakers of big data. In our classes, we are going to concentrate mainly on those key aspects step by step with examples. Trust me, we have a lot of examples to do in our classes with care and into complete hands-on zone. The main components of data engineer are all about ETL. You extract data from various sources, perform data mashup activities, load the data to appropriate destinations. It's all about ETL and warehouse with big data analytics, part of my classes. The main job roles involve building or designing the pipelines, working with big data activities, big data processing, data analytics, and live streaming data. Remember, it's all about the concept of SQL, Spark, PySpark, Python ETL, and cloud computing activities that make up our actual classes. I divided the entire course into various modules to teach you practically Azure SQL database, Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, Azure Synapse, Stream Analytics, Key Vaults, Active Directory, Entra, Logic Apps, Functions, and lot more. Entire course is planned for total 3 months with 6 modules. Module 1 I'll teach you MS SQL. Module 2 I'll teach you Azure Data Factory and Synapse. Module 3 is into data lake and IoT, Internet of Things. Module 4 open source Databricks, Azure Databricks both. Module 5 I'll be teaching you 2 projects in our classes. for your resume. One project for data factory, one project for data bricks. These two projects together are sure to help you a lot in your job desk as well as for your job trials, for your resume. They'll also help you to boost your confidence because I'll be providing you not only the project solutions but also explain them with utmost care, revising every item and provide you project FAQs. I'll be teaching you Microsoft Fabric as well that involves migrations, differences between Azure and Fabric, do's and don'ts, licensing and pricing activities, and few other important aspects required for your job work. I will be teaching you two important certification activities. One is DP 900, other one Databricks Data Engineer Associate exam. These two complete certification guidance part of the classes. My classes will be very detailed, step-by-step concepts. My classes will make sure you have the actual subject. I will make you subject matter expert with my utmost care. In my classes, I'll provide you day-wise notes for every concept, day-wise assignment for every concept, weekly mock interviews, use case scenarios. I'll be guiding you step by step for the project work. I'm stressing very much, I'm stressing more for project because that's the main intention of the course, right? I know your requirements. I am here to guide you for the resume. I can make sure your resume is optimized for best pay scale and more security. Come on, make sure you have at least 1.5 to 2 hours a day to practice, or at least 1 hour practice every day, and weekends spend more time for more practice and submit all your assignments. Because I said every day, chapter wise notes and chapter wise assignments. Submit everything by weekend, please. Then we can make sure the course is going to be a super hit. I want it from you guys. I trust you. I know you are joining me because you need more subject. You need more examples. I am here to deliver them to you. Either you go for my live training, self-paced videos, or in-house classroom trainings, any of them, I am here to guide you. I am here to boost your confidence. Thank you so much and see you soon in my actual classes. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you once again.